In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a big table to CSV in Glide. First, head over to your app and go into the Data section. Find your big table from the left-hand side Table menu. If you are downloading a simple table, the process is straightforward. Right-click the table name and click Export, after which the table will be downloaded in your device. However, for a big table, the process is slightly different. Once inside your big table, you can click the Export option at the bottom of the table, or right-click on the table and select Export. Next, it will ask you which columns you want to export. You can remove any columns you don't need or select all columns and click Export. After this, an email will be sent to the account connected to your Glide app with a link to download the CSV file. Make sure you check the inbox of the same email account used for your Glide app. If you do not remember which account it was, click on your menu icon at the top left, go to the dashboard, click on your profile icon at the top right, and then Account Settings to verify your email. Then go into your email inbox and open the one from Glide, click on the download buttons, and wait according to the size of your table. Once downloaded, you will have a CSV file with the same data as your big table. You can open this CSV to verify that all data has been successfully exported, and this is how you can export a big table to CSV in Glide.